how to fix email not working on iPhone. So the first thing that you need to check is your internet or your cellular data. Make sure that you have a good internet connection or a good network connection. So after making sure all of this is good, now if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply turn off your background running. So for that, again, open the application just like this, and now simply go back, and on your home screen, now again swipe up just like this, and then you can see this is the background running. Now what you're going to do is simply swipe up and get it removed. So after doing that, you can again restart the application, and then now you can see if your mail is working or not. So if it's still not working, then you can now get to your settings, and then you'll have to now check for a date and time. So for that, scroll down, then tap on General. And then from here again, keep scrolling until you see date and time. Tap on it, and after doing that here, make sure that Set Automatically is enabled so that the date and time is automatically set to your current location. So after doing that, again, go back, and in here, get on the main settings, and then from here, scroll all the way down, then tap on Apps. After doing that here, search for Mail. Here you can see Mail right here, tap on it and open its settings. Then from here, tap on Mail Accounts. In here, you can see these are all of the accounts. So if you simply tap on Gmail in here, you have to make sure that Mail is enabled in here just like this. Again, go back and again tap on Outlook, and then make sure it also has Mail enabled just like this. Again, go back, and then in here again tap on iCloud and also make sure that Mail is enabled. So after doing all of that, I'm pretty sure it will work. But if it's still not working, then you can tap on Fetch New Data. And in here, you have to make sure that all of it has fetch. So here, Outlook has push in it. So I'm going to tap on it and then set it to fetch. Again, go back, tap on iCloud, and then tap on fetch, and then go back. Make sure all of it has fetch enabled. So in here, again, scroll down a bit and make sure that automatically is selected just like this. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure your mail will start working. So if it's still not working, then make sure that your iPhone is up to date. So even after making sure that your iPhone is up to date, if it's still not working, then you can now try to force restart your iPhone. For that, click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power on button until you see Apple logo. Then release the button, and within few minutes, your phone will be restarted. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure your mail will work. But if it's still not working, then it might be the issue with your mail service provider's server being down. So you can wait for a few hours or a few days in order for that server to be fixed. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.